Hello Skychain community. My name is Alexander and I'm a partnership manager at the project which will completely disrupt healthcare as we know it, Skychain Global. And right now I'm very happy to present you the alpha version. Here you can see the main page of it and our we have already logged into our account and here how it looks like. To the left you can see the section with some personal data, the email address, registration date, the balance. Well, we have plenty of Skychain tokens to spend, but if we still run out of them, we can press the deposit button and add some more. Here you can just add a photo if you want to, and by pressing the request history, or you can see the previous requests and previous inquiries to the neural network. And here we have three neural networks which are available for testing right now: AI for respiratory disease recognition, AI for bone abnormalities recognition, and AI for skin cancer detection. There are three more neural networks here, but they are coming soon. They are just in progress, we're working on them, and I think that soon we will just publish them. It's AI for liver cancer detection. I've started with it because we have very good progress on it, and I think that it will be the next one to be published. We also have AI for brain disorders detection and AI for breast cancer detection. We also are working on it, and I think that soon we will publish it. Um, yeah, before we start, I want to tell you that the alpha itself is based on the MVP, the prototype, which was featured in one of our previous video on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to it if you still didn't. And we have just disabled the functionality of it and disabled the sections for data providers and neural network developers, and left only the consumer section. And this is the layout of how it possibly can look like for the medical practitioners who will use it. Like here you can choose neural networks, and well, let's start testing. So I think we gotta start with the AI for respiratory disease recognition, and for it I think, oh well, we're locked out. Sorry for that. Well, sorry once again. Yeah, we're fine. Respiratory disease recognition. For testing of this neural network, I think we can use the image from the internet. Let's just Google X-ray, lung X-ray, abnormal, and find ourselves an abnormal image of like lungs. Well, I think that one will do. Well, despite this yellow arrow, I think just in general this image is good. Chest X-ray shows an abnormal shadow in the right lower lung field. Okay, let's just save it. Browse for it, and let's create a request. We're creating a request, now processing the image. Cardiomegaly, 0.2021. It means that the accuracy I think is 21%, a bit more, but it's a very bad result. But I see that it just highlighted the right area, so where the arrow is. So that's really good that the heat map was built right where it should be built. Yeah, well, in general, accuracy is not that good, but well, considering it just highlighted the right area, I think in general the result is very good. It means that we're moving in the very right direction, and we're doing it right. So as for AI for bone abnormalities, I'm going to do another video on it. I'm not going to cover it right now because it has a lot of different image types like elbows, wrists, and some others. So I think if we start testing it here, it will take us like 20 minutes, and I'm not going to do a very long video. So let's go for AI for skin cancer detection. And as for skin cancer, we have decided to test it on the data set which haven't been used by our neural network, which wasn't fed to it. It's just about to be fed, but we can't take the image from the internet as we did with the long X-ray because the data and this neural network is very sensitive to the data. And most of the images of skin cancer in the internet are just photos and not the dermatoscopy images. And they also have different dimensions, and so I think it's better to take the images from the data set which is prepared and will soon be fed to this neural network, and we can consider this fair because our neural network doesn't know it, doesn't know the images and can't recognize it. So I think we should take something like vascular lesion. Let's take the first image and create a request. Processing has started. Yeah, it's vascular lesion. Well, the accuracy is very good. It's also worth mentioning that this neural network doesn't build the heat map, it just gives you the result. And it took 6 seconds to provide us with the result. So let's do it once again and just test some other diseases. I think we should take benign keratosis, and let's pick the first one. Let's go. Let's create a request. Yeah, benign keratosis. It has like 65. It's worse than the previous one, but still, I think we can consider this result good. Okay, let's head to our third attempt. And let's pick melanoma itself, the second image. Let's create a request. Processing has started, completed. Yeah, we have melanoma 0.92, which is very, very, very good for us. Yeah, as for other neural networks, as soon as they will be released, we'll do a video on them as well. So I think that's all for now. Thank you very much, community. We love you. We appreciate everything you say, everything you just say about us. We really appreciate all the feedback, all of your ideas in the Telegram channel. And I want to ask you, please keep believing in us, believing in the project as we do. We believe in it, and I think that we will do great things in the future. Stay with us, stay current, and thank you for watching.